Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be focusing on the Oily Water Separator Coalescer, a mouthful of a name for a crucial piece of equipment on every ship. It's the environmental bodyguard of the engine room. When a ship operates, various machinery spaces like the engine room bilges collect water mixed with oil, leakage, sludge, and other contaminants. This mixture, known as bilge water, legally cannot just be pumped overboard. International maritime regulations, specifically MARPOL Annex 1, strictly limit the amount of oil that can be discharged into the sea, usually to less than 15 parts per million, or 15 ppm. This is where the Oily Water Separator, or OWS, comes in, and the Coalescer is its secret weapon. The OWS starts by removing the large, free-floating oil globules through gravity separation in a primary chamber. Since oil is less dense than water, it floats to the top and is skimmed off. But after this stage, you're left with an emulsion, tiny stable oil droplets suspended throughout the water, which are too small to separate naturally. This is where the Coalescer unit takes center stage. Coalescence is simply the process of combining small droplets into larger ones. The Coalescer itself is a series of plates or specialized fibrous media, often fiberglass or polypropylene, tightly packed into cartridges. As the oily water mixture flows through or around these media, the microscopic oil droplets repeatedly bump into the surfaces and into each other. They stick together, or coalesce, forming progressively larger droplets. Think of it like a crowd of people being funneled through a narrow doorway. They are forced together, and the small clusters become one big group. These now larger oil droplets are big enough that their natural buoyancy takes over. They detach from the coalescer media and rapidly rise to the top of the separation chamber, where they are collected and sent to a slop tank for proper disposal ashore or incineration. The key is the material's oleophilic nature. It loves oil, which encourages the droplets to wet the surface and stick. If the coalescer fails, the OWS can't meet that strict 15 ppm limit. A typical cause of failure is fouling, where the media gets coated with solids like rust, dirt, or certain chemical cleaning agents, which reduces its effectiveness. Regular cleaning, backwashing, or in many cases, replacement of the cartridges is essential. A working coalescer is the difference between legal, environmentally compliant operation and massive fines and detention. It ensures that the water returned to the ocean is virtually free of oil, protecting the marine ecosystem while keeping the ship running smoothly and within the law. It's a small component that does a huge job for global sustainability by ensuring ships comply with environmental regulations. By effectively separating oil from water, the coalescer protects marine ecosystems and maintains the health of our oceans. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.